Hello students, today we will be starting a new lesson called Raja's Useful Collection. What is the name of the lesson? Raja's Useful Collection. So this is a story of a boy called Raja. He used to collect all small things when he was to go to school. Even when you were children, even now also have some habits, isn't it? Some of you have the habit of collecting coins. Some of you have the habits of collecting colored pictures and stamps and all, isn't it? So each one have their own hobby. It is called as hobby. Havyasa in Kannada. Okay. So even Raja also had some habit of collecting some things. This is the name of the story. So page number 131. The name of the lesson is Raja's Useful Collection. Narrator. Narrator means one who is narrating the story, one who is telling the story. He is called as a narrator. Miss Maya taught the youngest children in Lajpat Lane School. There were about 20 children in her class and one of them was a boy called Raja. Now, Raja was particular about his trousers and always had pockets in them. This was to keep things in. Of course, Raja was a collector. He collected anything at all that was interesting and fitted into his trouser pockets. So here this Raja was studying in a school called Lajpat Lane School. The name of the school was Lajpat Lane. Okay, and the name of the teacher was Miss Maya. What was the name of the teacher? Miss Maya. So she was a teacher for this Raja also. So in that school, in that class, almost 20 children were there. How many of them were there? 20 was the strength. In that class, one boy was named, the name was called as Raja. Okay. And Raja was particular about his trousers. Trousers means pants. He was wearing pants and he had pockets in them. Every time he was keeping something or other things in his pocket. One morning, Raja set out for school. He walked along as he usually did with his head bent so that he could look for interesting things on the ground as he walked along. So one morning what happened? Raja was going to the school. He bent his head. He was bending his head and going to the school. He was never watching forward. Okay, he was bending his head. Why? Because he wants to collect something which is felt on the ground. He wants to collect and keep it in his pockets. Raja to himself. So he was telling to himself only. Here's a strong thick rubber band. I know how it came here. I have seen the postwoman slip it off her bundle of letters and drop it on the path. So Raja was speaking to himself only. Here is a strong thick rubber band. He found one rubber band on the ground. He thought, oh, I knew how it came here. He was just thinking it. I have seen postwoman. Postwoman is one who delivers the letters. Now it is very rare. You don't see all these people. Okay, before we used to get letters, that is a way of communicating the messages. Now you have mobile phones, everything. But in previous days and all, we were not having any such mobiles or phones or anything. Only thing was communicating through was only for letters. So who used to deliver the letters? Postman and postwomen. Okay. She slipped it off her bundle of letters. She was having bundle of letters. So when removing that letter, that rubber band fell down. So he thought, oh, I knew this postman would have dropped it out. Narrator. He picked it up and put it in his pocket. So he took the rubber band and took it in and put it in his pocket. Next page, page number 132. What a flat round pebble. It is lovely to hold, cold and smooth. So here one more thing he got, that is called as pebble. First thing he got is rubber band. Okay. Second one is pebble. What do you mean by pebble? Pebble is small, smooth, round stone. One round stone will be there. It is called as pebble. He thought it is very lovely to hold. It was very cold and smooth. Narrator. Raja put it in his other pocket. He walked a little further, still looking. So what he did, in one pocket he put rubber band, the other pocket he put this round pebble. Raja. That's a shiny silver safety pin. I'll put it in my pocket with the rubber band. And here's a matchbox. It is quite clean and new. So other two more things he got. What it is? One more is safety pin. Okay, safety pin, and other one is matchbox. So altogether how many items he collected now? Rubber band, pebble, safety pin, matchbox. It is quite clean and new. Narrator. Raja opened it and sniffed. What do you mean by sniffed? Smelt. Smelt means he started to smell that. Okay. It smelled just like matches. A funny smell that made his nose wrinkle up. Wrinkle up means fold. One's nose. Okay. He was just smelling. Some of you have the habit of smelling the things, isn't it? So even Raja, what he used to do, he got that matchbox and he started to smell it. He was very pleased with empty matchbox and put it into the pocket with the rubber band and the safety pin. So in that pocket, the same pocket where he had the rubber band and safety pin, he put this matchbox, same thing in this pocket itself. Raja. That's a long piece of green string near the hedge. So one more thing he saw. A long piece of green string near the hedge. What do you mean by hedge? A boundary formed by closely growing shrubs or bushes. So there, when he was walking, when he was going to the school, he saw a hedge. Hedge means thick thing of bushes and grass. Okay, shrubs and bushes. What it is called as hedge. Okay, so there he saw a piece of string. Narrator, he picked it up and put it in the pocket with a smooth, cool pebble. So where he put pebble, he put that string also. String is nothing but a piece of thread like. Okay, now he was nearly at the school gate. So he went near the school gate. He began to jog along. Jog. Okay, jogging, you know, no, morning time some people will go for walking, jogging and all. So he was just jogging and going, kicking a tiny broken piece of red brick in front of him. So even some of you have the habit, as you go walk and go, you have the habit of kicking something and going. So even Raja also was doing the same thing. He kicked a red brick. Red brick means kempo hittige. Okay, they call it as hittige. Raja, I suppose this might come useful too. So he thought, okay, it will be useful. Narrator. So he picked it up and put it in his pocket with the rubber band and the safety pin and the matchbox. So even that also he put it in the pocket. He ran into the playground feeling very cheerful. He felt very cheerful and happy. Cheerful means he was very happy. He went to the playground. Now you will hardly believe it, but every single thing in Raja's pocket came in useful that day to school. So everybody will be surprised. What is this? This boy is keeping all such old things and some useless things in his pocket. But it was very, very surprising thing. On that day it came used. All these items came used in the school. How it came useful? When Raja went into the classroom, the first person he saw was Miss Maya watering the plants in their pots. So when he went to the school, he saw Miss Maya was watering the plants. Watering the plants means ಗಿಡಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕೋದು. Okay, Miss Maya was doing that. Miss Maya, these plants are getting rather tall, poor things. We'll have to tie them to a stick so that they don't bend right over. So Miss Maya was telling, these plants are getting bent. Okay, it is get rather tall. The plants are growing more taller. Okay, we'll have to tie them to a stick. We have to give a support so that the plants will not bend. They don't bend right over. Raja, you can tie them with my string. So what did Raja do? He said, ma'am, I will give this string. You can tie it with that string. String is nothing but a piece of thread, I said, you know. Miss Maya, just the thing. Thanks. So Maya said, thank you, my boy. Narrator. Miss Maya used the string to tie the plants to a stick. After that, Lina's skirt strap came loose. So what happened? When Raja gave that piece of string, Miss Maya took that piece of string and tied it to the plants. Miss Maya used that string to tie plants to a stick. After that, Lina's skirt strap came loose. So Lina was wearing a skirt, a strap, it became loose. Maya, we'll mend it somehow. So that girl went and approached Maya. So that Maya was just thinking of a plan. Okay, we'll do something. You can pin it together with my safety pin. So Raja had the safety pin also, isn't it? So how do you put the things and all for the skirt? You use the safety pin, isn't it? In the same way, Raja gave the safety pin to Miss Maya. just the thing. So even for that also his ma'am appreciated him. You're a very good boy. Okay. Narrator. Miss Maya pinned Leena's skirt strap to the skirt with Raja's shiny safety pin. Then Mary felt a bit sick. She said she felt too hot and had a headache. So what happened? One more girl was there. Her name was Mary. So what happened to that girl? She was having a very bad headache. Miss Maya, sit down Mary and rest your head on the table. You will feel better soon. So Miss Maya said, okay, don't strain yourself. Sit down here. You rest on the table. You sleep for a while. Raja, you can put my nice smooth pebble next to your head if you like. So Raja, what he did, he gave that small stone pebble he had no to near the head. You just have it. You'll have something soothing effect. Okay. Miss Maya, just the thing. Narrator. Mary thought that was a good idea. She held the cool flat pebble next to her hot forehead. So it was very very cool, isn't it? So that when the head is very very hot, so you can just rub it. Then it will become, you will have a cold effect. So for that this pebble came into use. Okay. It cheered her up a lot. During playtime, Ali's tooth came out. So when they were all children were playing outside, one more boy was there. His name is called as Ali. What happened? His tooth came out. Tooth fell down. Okay, tooth came down. Miss Maya, take it home to show your mother. So Miss Maya said, okay, keep it this in the with you and show to your mother. I might, so Ali said, I might lose it. So Raja, what he did, you can put it in my matchbox if you like. So Raja said, don't worry, I will give you a matchbox. You can put it inside the matchbox. Miss Maya, just the thing. So now narrator said, Ali put his little white baby tooth into the Raja's matchbox. Afterwards they went into the playground. Miss Maya showed them how to play hopscotch on the pavement. So what happened? That Ali put that white tooth in the matchbox. So everybody went to play in the ground. Miss Maya showed them how to play hopscotch. Hopscotch means by just drawing some numbers, and they in Kannada they say kunte bilu. Okay. So Miss Maya taught them how to play that hopscotch game. Miss Maya, first you have to write numbers on the pavement in the squares. Bother, I have not brought any chalk outside with me. Could you go inside and get me a piece, Raja? So Miss Maya said, you have to draw the numbers, isn't it, to play that game, hopscotch, that is called as kunte bilu. So Miss Maya was not having any chalk piece to draw the numbers, or to write the numbers and all. So Miss Maya requested Raja, okay Raja, go to class and bring a piece of chalk. Raja, you can use a bit of red brick if you like. So remember, once when Raja was coming to the school, he kicked one brick, isn't it? So he said, okay ma'am, if you don't mind, I'll give you this red brick. Red brick is kempu color, okay, red color. Brick will be there. You can use it to draw. Maya, just the thing, I'll write the numbers in red. Okay, Miss Maya, okay said, okay, surely I will write it. I will write with the help of this brick. I wonder if you know what Raja had left in his pocket now. Everyone came indoors after that. So one day everybody has a surprise, isn't it? So he had already all these things. So each one came into use. Rubber band also came into use. Pebble also. Safety pin, matchbox. Everything was useful. So whatever Raja collected into his pocket, in his trousers pocket, everything came into use. That is why the lesson is called as Raja's useful collection. So whatever he collected, it was nothing waste. Miss Maya held it up for one more thing I want to tell you. Everyone came indoors after that. Today was Raja's turn for painting. When it was finished, Miss Maya held it up for everyone to see. So Raja was having a painting. Okay, it was his turn to paint. Okay, so Miss Maya said, everyone let him see it. Raja showed them his picture of Batman and Robin in the Batmobile. Everyone thought it was a great picture. Miss Maya rolled it up carefully and gave it to Raja to carry home. This is a wonderful painting. You have done a wonderful painting. You painted very goodly. Very good. Who appreciated? Miss Maya appreciated this Raja. She rolled the painting sheet and gave it to Raja. Raja took the strong thick rubber band out of his pocket. So what he did, then he remembered if you keep that painting like that only it will come out, isn't it? So what he did, he had an idea. He rolled it up and he put this rubber band on the top of that. Miss Maya helped him put it round his lovely picture. So Miss Maya helped it. So in this way, even then Raja and Miss Maya, they're laughing to each other. So in this way, Raja, all his useful collections came to use. So whatever you collected, please children see that it will be useful things. Don't collect all unnecessary things. Whatever you think, you make use of it. This is the main lesson theme. Okay. This is the lesson. I hope you understood, children. Thank you.